Where does the name for Hazler come from? So today I'm in Shropshire, just by Church Stretton, and this street and hill and also village is called Hazler. Let's get into the name. Hazler's name appears to be made of two parts. The first part looks a lot like it descends from the Old English word hazel, meaning a hazel tree. Interestingly, the word hazel itself is descended from an Indo-European word koslos, and appears to have been borrowed into it from an as yet unknown other language. The second half of it is a bit more complicated because of how shortened it is. I think it might be from Old English orfer, which means a bank, a slope or a ridge, which would make it the same as Hazler in Warwickshire. It's odd that the names change differently over time if this is the case though. Perhaps it's from leach, a meadow or a clearing, but this doesn't quite fit either. I'd be interested to hear your theories in the comments. Either way, I think the hamlet takes its name from the hill and not the other way round. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, like today, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.